How to unsubscribe emails from Gmail. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can unsubscribe emails from Gmail. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So once you're logged in with your preferred account on Gmail, navigate to the search bar at the top, and in the search bar you have to type in unsubscribe. So these are all your emails that you can unsubscribe. Once you're done here, click on this filter icon next to the search bar, and in this box click on create filter. And here you get various options that you can do with the emails. If you want to delete it, you have to click on delete it or click on the checkbox of delete it. Or if you want to escape the emails and move it to archive, then you have to select the archive it option. But for now, let's just select delete it. After you're done with that, you have to go back, and here it says does not have. So if there are any emails that you don't want to delete from the unsubscribe list, and if you want to add the keyword, then you can add your keyword here. So for example, I don't want to delete an emails if they have the word AD@C, then you have to type in the word in this text box. Once you're done with that, simply click on create filters, and any word that has the word unsubscribe will be deleted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.